And wow, I like your hairstyle. You're so cute. Wow.
Are you
Ah,
allergic?
yes, my dear, but it's okay.
You have a right
uh,
a
fever,
cold?
my dear.
Oh, headache, right?
Yes. But how are you today, my dear?
I'm good, thank you, teacher.
Did you had a good night's sleep?
Mm, yes. Oh, teacher. Because the next week is Tết holiday in Vietnam, so yeah. Maybe take a. Okay.
Sure, my dear. It's okay. You need to enjoy your holiday.
Yes.
Yes. And did you eat your breakfast today, my dear?
Yes. I had breakfast with my family.
Ah, wow, that's good because in Korea, you didn't
Uh,
eat, right? When you were in Korea, you
oh,
aren't eating your breakfast, right?
when I am Korea, I don't breakfast.
Okay, but now that you're in Vietnam, you need to eat your breakfast with your family, right?
Yes, because in Vietnam I have many chats. So
Ah,
I have many chats about breakfast. So I will eat breakfast.
yes. So what time do you usually wake up, my dear?
Uh,
Now that
mm,
you are in Vietnam.
in Vietnam,
Mhm.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Oh, it's early.
because tonight yesterday I went to sleep so early.
Oh, so what time did you sleep last night, my dear?
Oh, maybe even I often go to sleep at 11 p.m.
Oh, so it's early. That's good, my dear. So, what time do you usually eat your lunch?
Oh, I think mm, at 12 a.m. At 12 a.m. Half
Mhm.
past.
Oh, half past 12 noon? It's noon, right?
Yes.
12 noon?
Mm,
Oh, I see. So, you eat your lunch together with your family, right?
yes, I'm
Together
with
with your
my family.
family? Nice. So, how about for your dinner, my dear? What time do you usually eat your dinner?
At the dinner, I often have a dinner at 7 p.m.
Ah, it's early as well.
Often go to play with my friends.
After dinner?
Just I will drink coffee with my friends. Or
I, I see. So at night, you will drink coffee at night?
yes, because the holiday, so I have many free time.
I see. But I think, my dear, if you will drink coffee at night, you won't, or you can't sleep at night, right?
No, no, no. I hate coffee. I just drink milk tea.
I see. Milk tea. So it's cold, right?
Oh, so cold, but so delicious. Really
Ah,
delicious.
yes, but the weather in Vietnam is also cold. Is that
But
okay?
I think it's warm. So warm.
Oh, so winter is over.
I just wear clothes, clothes.
I see, like a jacket or yeah, a jacket or a sweater, right? Sweater.
Yes, sweater.
Ah, yes, that's
Well,
sweater. Okay, but yeah, I like your hair. Is that uh, what do you
ah,
call that one, my dear?
it's black, black.
Light.
Yeah, black. Color is black and is hair clip.
I see, hair clip.
Yes, hair clip.
Oh, maybe because you have bangs.
Yes. Is
It's so cute. Like I thought it's something like a Mickey Mouse or yeah,
ah.
something like a Mickey Mouse like this.
No, I don't have her. This such is I have many.
I see. Oh, because you have bangs, my dear? Do you have bangs?
Oh, yes,
Mhm.
I have. I have.
I see. So you need to clip. You need
Mm.
to have a clip.
Oh, when
Mm,
I when I see when I'm washing washing face, I use
I see. So when you wash your face,
what my face.
I see. Especially in the morning, right?
Yes,
After
no,
waking up, after waking up in the morning.
yes. From I think it's so 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 sick, right?
Can you please say it one more time, my dear?
Succinct
SUCCI
NCT.
NCT.
Yeah.
SUCCINCT. This one, my dear.
Yes, succinct, right?
I see. Yes, my dear. Okay, so succinct.
Succinct. Oh,
Succinct. Yes. Okay, so you are washing your face when you wake up in the morning.
no, yes,
And to avoid your hair getting wet, you need to clip
yes, right.
down. I see. So it's also good if you have. Oh, did you wash your face with soap, my dear, or just a normal water?
Oh, I use cold water
Wow, why cold water, my dear?
because if I use warm water, it is, my face is quite dry.
I see. So that's the secret.
Yes.
I see cold water. Oh, that's that's a good tip.
Oh, I just brush teeth uh by by warm water. But when I wash my face, I just use cold.
Oh, that's good. So cold water. How about when you take a bath? Do you use cold or warm water?
Yes.
When you take a bath, do you use warm or cold water?
Oh, so I uh mm, uh, is warm water because
Ah, it's cold, right? Yeah, that's good, my dear, because it's good also for your body.
yes.
And
Uh
if, for example, if you are sick, you need to drink. plenty of warm water as well,
Oh, I think good,
right? You need to
right?
drink plenty of warm water.
Yes, I think in the winter, the warm water is the best choice.
Yes, best choice.
Yes.
Yes, but I like your hair. What do you call that one? Hey, nail polish, right? Nail polish.
Yes, yes, right. But
Wow.
but
How?
is here is so dark, right?
Mhm.
It because so dark, right?
No, no, it's okay, my dear. It's not that dark. It's okay. But can you eat with those nail? Is that a
Uh,
nail extension, my dear?
oh, this my friend make it for me. Right?
I see. Is
Please.
that your real nails, my dear?
Mm, yes.
Is that
I no. It's no.
I see. Nail extension, right?
Yes, it's real. Real is fake. Fake.
Oh, I see. Fake.
Yes.
So I think how but how can you eat with those nails, my dear? Do you use fork and spoon?
Oh, I
Chopstick?
that's
How
it.
can you uh how
Ah,
can you
it's okay.
isn't it uncomfortable wearing fake nails?
No, the first time I feel uncomfortable, but if I feel available, it's so okay.
When you get used to having that kind of nails.
Yes, okay.
But yeah, it suits you well, especially your skin complex, my dear, or you because you have a fair skin.
Oh, I am that skin. No, I think. Oh, mm, that skin. My skin, right?
Uh-huh. Meaning having a light skin tone.
Oh, I so like, but it is right. I
Mhm.
think.
I like it. It's
The
because I
food
only have a
is
normal.
butterfly, right?
But wow, a butterfly. How did she do that, my dear?
Ah, it's thicker.
You just need to stick it
Yes,
on your nail.
yes.
I see. I thought she needs to make something for your
No.
nail. So
Yes,
a normal nail polish, and then you just need to stick the
yes,
butterfly shape on your
yes,
nail, right?
yes, right.
Oh, that's good. So I really can't imagine how you do your uh skincare routine if you have that kind of nails.
I think when I skincare
Mm-hmm.
is so uncomfortable.
I see. So what do you usually do, my dear?
Oh, I am actually I just make it in order to I take photo and take holiday.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, maybe a few day. Next few day. I will cancel. Right. I
Remove,
cancel.
remove, my dear.
Mm. I think next a few day.
Uh-huh.
Uh, I will take it up.
I see. Because you need to help your mother in making your foods
Mm.
or
No,
preparing something.
no. My mother will eat. Will make it.
Ah, okay. So it's good, my dear.
Yeah.
So we will.
Pepper. Pepper. Right. Pepper.
Mhm.
My family has a helper.
Ah, helper.
Helper.
Wow, that's good, my dear. Okay, so we will continue our
Yes.
discussion about this. We're done with this slide, right?
Oh, culture.
Yes.
Next.
Okay, so we will continue our discussion and this slide. Okay, so can you please tell me what can you see in the picture, my dear?
The the first picture.
Mm-hmm.
The first picture. The
Oh, can you please say it one more time, my dear?
oh. The first picture. They are watching film. Right.
Ah, they yes, they are watching films. And what do you think is oh, who is he, my dear? Do you think are they family?
Oh, I think no. I think it's friends. Right.
I see friends.
Are friends.
I see. So, maybe, maybe just a friends, or maybe a close friends,
I
or lovers,
think
right?
girlfriend.
Uh-huh, like okay, lovers. Okay, so what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
I think what film? What films?
Okay,
What?
watch films. Very good. So can you please make a sentence using this phrase, my dear? Watch films.
No. Yes. I like to watch film. Watch films.
Mhm.
Uh. On Netflix during my free time.
Next week,
Uh,
I like to watch film.
Netflix.
Ah,
On
Netflix.
Netflix.
I
Yes.
see.
Netflix.
During my free
During
time.
Yes, right.
Wow, during my
Free time.
free time. Very good, my dear. Okay, what about this next slide, my dear?
Mm.
I like to watch films on Netflix during my free time. Your sentence is correct, my dear. Okay, wow, this is the new chair. Okay, so what can you see in the next picture, my dear?
The next picture. He is reading book.
Mm. While
Mm, he is sit down on book on books
very good. He is sitting down.
on books.
Okay, very good. Did you do that, my dear, before? Sitting down?
sitting down.
On books?
Oh, yes.
Did you do that before, my dear? Have you ever experienced sitting down on books?
Mm,
Have you ever experienced sitting down on books?
no, no.
I thought you'll say, I thought you'll say yes. Yeah, that's good. my dear. Okay, so can you guess the vocabulary word, my dear?
I think read books, right? Read book.
Oh, yes, your answer is correct, my dear. Nice. Okay, so can you please make a sentence using the phrase read books, my dear?
Oh, mm, reading book. Reading books can improve. I don't dress that. Reading books can improve my vocabulary and knowledge.
Yes, knowledge. Can you please say it one more time, my dear?
Knowledge.
Yes, very good. Correct, my dear. Your your grammar is correct.
Uh, read.
Reading books can help improve my vocabulary and knowledge. So, do you like reading books, my dear?
I just I just like read Doraemon.
Books about Doraemon?
Yes.
Oh, how about reading novels, my dear?
Hmm. No.
Like something like a love story.
Hmm. I sorry. I don't like reading book. I study read book.
Only Doraemon. But you know, my dear, I've read a book before. It's a novel, and the title of it, Unwanted Wife, I think. It's a
Hmm.
good book. Unwanted Wife.
Maybe in the future I will read.
Yeah, but are you a fan of romance movie, my dear? Like love story of how a girl and a boy fell in love with one another. Are you a fan of that?
No. I'm not actually. Um I haven't. I don't have an ever uh
I have never.
ne- ever watch TV, right? Watch TV.
Oh, even if during your childhood days, my dear.
No, I just watch TikTok.
When you were a child or when you were in high school?
Yes. When now when I before I I saw movie on TV. I
Ah.
just I just watch cartoon.
Oh, wow. What cartoons do you watch, my dear?
Ah,
Aside from Doraemon.
mm, Mr. Bean. Do you know Mr. Bean?
Ah, Mr. Bean, the adult one or the cartoon?
Cartoon. Cartoon.
Yes, I'm a fan of him, my dear. Dun 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 dun, dun. Right? Right?
So,
Yes. And I don't know the name of the cat, right? The
mm,
yellow one of
mm,
his grandmother, the cat of his grandmother.
oh no. I think um,
Kitty? Kitty? I don't know if it's Kitty.
Hello Kitty, right?
No, my dear. The name of the cat of his grandmother.
Ah,
Mr.
in
Bean's grandmother, my dear.
no. Beer, beer. Mr. Bean has a beer.
Oh, yes. How about the cat of his grandmother?
Grandma. Hmm.
Uh-huh.
Ah, yes. Or grandmother or a
The
cat.
cat. Yes,
Okay.
the
Yes,
yellow one, right?
right.
Do you know the name of the cat, my dear?
No, I don't know. I
I
I don't forget. I I don't mind.
don't
Just,
remember.
I don't remember.
I see. It's okay, my dear. So oh, how about what else, my dear?
What else?
What else? What cartoons do you usually watch?
No.
Only Mr. Bean?
Between all Doraemon.
I see. How about watching anime, my dear?
Anime. No.
Oh, you don't like watching anime?
Yes, I don't like. I don't
Ah,
like.
why, my dear?
I don't know. Actually, I just don't like.
I see. It's okay, I see. Okay, so next picture, my dear. What
Yes,
is
picture.
she doing?
She is listening to music, right?
Yes, very good.
Yeah, right.
How about you, my dear? Do you like listening to music?
Oh,
Do you like listening to music?
I just yes, but I just like music Vietnam, right?
Ah,
Hip
Vietnamese song?
hop,
Mm-hmm.
beat hop.
Oh, but do you think are you good at singing, my dear?
No, no, I can't.
I see you can't sing.
Yes, I
How? But how about English song, my dear? What's your favorite English song?
I I know way back home, right? Way back
Way
home,
back eyes. Na, 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 na,
way
na,
back home.
na, 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 na. Like that?
I know every time at every
Every
time. Yes, uh, the song is every time.
hmm, every time.
Yes, it's
Ah,
it's
Britney Spears.
uh I maybe maybe is the film the film song at Korea. The,
Ah, I see.
yeah.
So, is there a specific song? Oh, is there a specific English song that you memorize? Is there a
Oh
specific
yes,
English? Yes, you memorize that English song.
mm, yes. I think it's a song film, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe.
I see. But I think. Do you know Justin Bieber, my dear? Justin Bieber? Bieber? Do you know him?
Justin Bieber. No, I don't know.
Really?
I don't know.
I see. It's okay, my dear. How about Celine Dion?
No, I don't know.
I see. So you're not a fan of uh foreign foreign songs, or for example, international artists.
Actually, famous singer. I don't know. I don't know.
I see. It's okay, my dear.
What? I don't know.
It's okay. Let's just
I
let's
know. Cái tên gì nhỉ? Oh, I don't know.
it's okay. So
I
what
just
is mm-hmm. I just
mm, I just listen the V-pop.
V-pop
Việt Nam.
Vietnam. I see. Okay. So what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
Mm, I think listen to music.
Oh, wow. Your answer is correct, my dear. Okay, can you please make a sentence using this vocabulary word?
Oh, I like I like I will listen to music while going to work.
I like listening to music
While going to work.
while going to
Work.
work.
Yes.
Okay, very good, my dear.
Mm.
Your answer is correct. Wow. So, what do you call? Is it earbud or headset, my dear? Headphone.
Oh yes. I will listen by headphone.
Headphone. Is it wireless?
Oh, mm, it's such a you.
Okay. Is there a wire, my dear?
Oh yes.
I see. Or is
No
it
no no.
wireless? Wireless?
Bluetooth.
Ah, so it's wireless, my dear.
Wireless.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, maybe it's so okay with me. Oh yes, wireless. Yeah.
I see. That's good, my dear. Okay,
Mm.
wow. What is she doing, my dear?
Oh,
Uh-huh. What is she doing?
I think I think he is surfing the internet.
Uh-huh. Very good.
Yeah.
Oh, for example, my dear, you are laying down on your bed while using your cell phone or while using your laptop. Do you usually do this one?
Oh yes, surf the internet.
Uh-huh. How about her position, my dear?
Mm. It's good.
like like this one, my dear. Like your like uh-huh. Do you do that as well?
On is yes. Of course.
Yeah, me too. I like doing this one, my dear. Just like
Yeah.
her. Especially when you are typing something.
Oh yes. Use laptop.
Uh-huh. Yeah. It's so comfortable, right?
Mm. Yes,
Oh,
correct.
okay. Do you know this one, my dear? Mbps?
BTS.
Mbps?
MPPF.
Mbps.
Oh, I don't know. MVP. I
Yes.
don't know. I don't know.
BPS. Yes,
Is oh.
it's like an internet speed test, my dear.
Mm. By
Hmm. Like in your internet, if it's faster or slower
ah.
in internet connection. Like this one, my dear, the internet is loading.
Yes.
Maybe she has a slow internet
Hmm.
or a
Is
weak internet connectivity.
the picture is so fast, right?
Oh, so fast? But what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
I think search the internet.
Yeah, very good. Or Facebook. Wow. Facebook or surf the internet. Okay, so can you please make a sentence using that phrase, my dear?
Oh, when I have time, I often surf the internet or Facebook.
Oh, very good. What do you usually watch, my dear? Do you watch reels? Do you know reels?
Real? Ah, I know.
Reels?
Reels in Facebook, right?
Ah, yes. Or story.
Sorry. I have like yeah my story.
Ah, yeah. Yes, I did. Okay, so we're now on the phrases.
Mm.
Okay. Like doing or to be interested in doing something. Can you please read this one, my dear? I like.
Ah, I like I like play sports. I just I am interested in playing sports. I am in swimming.
Okay, so can you please make a sentence?
Oh,
Oh, what happened? Okay.
oh I'm interested in learning new language.
Wow, very good. Like uh English, right?
Yes,
Okay, so how about the negative one, my dear? I don't like.
I don't like I don't like reading book.
Ah, wow, that's good, my dear. Because sometimes reading books can waste your time.
I I I don't like reading book. When I have the time, I do book.
Oh, I don't read books. Okay, how about next one, my dear?
Yes. Oh, reduce stress.
Yes, reduce stress.
Traveling really helps health.
Really helps.
Really helps me reduce stress.
Yes, very good. So can you please make a sentence, maybe using
Uh,
reduce stress?
I- it's exercising regularly is a great way to reduce stress.
Wow, very good. Exercising regularly.
Regularly.
Uh-huh. Very good. But How about you, my dear? What do you usually do when you feel like you are stressed?
Um, I actually I just sleep.
Ah, sleep.
uh,
Oh, so when you are stressed, you will sleep.
hmm, maybe maybe I can't make I can make
That's good. How about mm, like eating your favorite food? Because my dear, others prefer to eat when they are stressed.
oh no, I think if I have a stress, I'm I can't eat anything.
Oh, meaning you don't have an appetite.
Yes, I I I feel I will feel uncomfortable.
To eat.
Yeah,
I see. We are the same, my dear. For example, when you are sick or when you are stressed, you don't have an appetite. Do you know appetite, my dear?
appetite.
Do you know appetite?
I don't know. Appetite.
hmm
No. I
It's
don't,
your desire to eat foods, my dear.
I don't appetite.
Yeah. So maybe there are people who have an eating disorder, my dear, like stress eating disorder. Stress eating disorder. Because, for example, if they are sick, they want to eat. When
Oh,
they are stressed, when they feel like they are stressed, they want to eat.
I want to play with me.
Mhm.
The, ah, ah, Shrek. Alright. Hmm,
Yes.
I, I, I just try. Um, see, I just straighter, straighter. Hmm, a little, a little.
I see. So you have a desire to eat when you are stressed.
I could actually when I have stress, I sleep.
Mhm.
Maybe go shopping with my friends.
It's a good way to relieve your stress, my dear. Shopping. But sometimes shopping can make you stress as well.
Yes, actually, of course, bus is so so I have to spend so many money.
Yes. Okay, so let's go to the next slide, my dear. Wow, Jane.
Yes.
Okay,
Oh,
so can you please
oh.
read this one, my dear?
Jane talks about her hobbies. Uh, I have many hobbies. I love reading. Up my mom read books and newspapers. I often read books. Uh, They are very interesting and useful, which can improve my knowledge or on holiday. However, I doing mountain mountainous reason I can meet, talk, and make friends with many new people. I also have chance to eat delicious food. Hmm, traveling helps me reduce stress, reduce stress, right? Reduce stress. After tiring working days, I am also very interested in play sports. I play many kinds of sports such as football, swimming, and table tennis. I most like play now. I have many. I am very busy with my work, but I play football twice a week. When play when playing football, I can forget uh tiredness, tiredness and stress in my life.
Wow, very good, my dear. Thank you so much for reading the short passage. Very good, my dear. I like your pronunciation. You know when to stop and when to continue.
Mm.
Yes. Okay, can you please say it one more time, my dear?
Oh yes.
Mountainous regions.
Mm.
Mountainous regions.
Mountainous reason
Yes, regions.
reasons.
Very good. Can you say delicious?
Delicious.
Yes. Very good, my dear. Okay, so this time, can you please read and answer the first question?
Yes. Is Jane interested in reading? Oh yes, yes. Here she is. Right. Yes, she is.
She is.
No, no. Yes, she is.
Can you please say it one more time, my dear? I can't hear you well.
Yes, she is.
Oh,
Right.
uh-huh.
One,
Very good,
number
my
one.
dear. Uh-huh. Can you please answer the question in complete sentence? For example, yes, she is interested in reading books and
Ah,
newspaper.
ah, I
Okay, can you say it one more time, my dear? Is Jane interested in reading?
yes. Jane is interested in reading book and reading books and newspaper.
Very good, my dear. Nice. Okay, second question.
How does reading help her? Um, Reading really helps her improve her knowledge. Right? Uh, where does she like to travel? Uh, she she loves going to mountainous regions or going to the beach. Mm, how does traveling help her? Traveling help her reduce stress after tiring working days. Uh, what are her favorite sports? Um, Her favorite sports is playing football. Finally, uh, her hobbies are uh, football, swimming, and table tennis. Finish. Oh, teacher, I can't hear you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Very good, my dear. Your answers are correct. Yes, very good. Her hobbies are playing football, playing swimming, and playing table tennis.
Mm.
Yes, very good. Okay, so this time let's go to the next slide. Okay, so we have here, I think 10 questions. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yeah, 10 questions. So can you please read and answer the first question, Miss Year?
Oh, yes. Do you have a lot of free time when? I have free time on the weekend.
Oh, very good.
Do you like playing sport? Uh, I like playing badminton. Yes, I like badminton.
Yes. Okay, so do you know, my dear, for example, if the question starts with do, you need to say, like, do you like reading books? Yes, I do. I
Uh,
like reading books. Something like that, I did. Okay.
uh,
Okay, one more time, my dear me. Do you like playing sports?
yes, I like playing badminton. Right?
Yes, yes, I do. I like playing
Yes,
badminton.
I like playing badminton.
Oh, wow, very good, my dear. Okay, next question.
What are your favorite sports or which sport do you like? My favorite sports is playing badminton. Oh, yes.
And
Oh,
why do you like playing badminton, my dear?
I like playing badminton. Right?
Yes, but why do you like playing badminton, my dear? Why do you like playing badminton? Why do you like playing badminton?
Actually, mm, because I think this sport is is the easiest,
Easier.
right?
Yes, because this sport is easier to play.
Hmm. I think this sport is the easiest sport.
It's easier sport. Oh, but I don't know how to play badminton.
I just feel
Maybe because you are just good at playing sports, my dear.
I don't know.
Maybe.
Wait.
Okay, so next question, my dear.
Are you interested in watching film? Yes,
Yes.
yes, I am.
Mhm.
Uh, I I am interested in watching films.
Hmm. So, what are your favorite films?
Mm. I just uh I I am interested in watching films such as cartoon.
I see. Cartoon. Okay, next, my dear.
When do you often watch films? I often watch film on the weekend.
Oh, I often watch films on the weekends.
Yes, on the
Mhm.
weekend.
Yes, very good.
Oh, do you love reading most? No, I don't like it.
Because it's boring, right?
That's so boring, so asleep.
For example, you will read one page of the book and then you'll feel sleepy. And, and then
So
you'll just sleep.
I can I think when I book.
Have you experienced that one, my dear? for example, the teacher in front of you is asking you to read your books, right, with your classmates.
Hey.
And then you will just open the book pretending to read when in fact you are sleeping.
Actually, in the class, I have to focus on the teach. I can't.
But when you were in high school, my dear, have you experienced that?
Um, I ask my teacher. Actually,
Yes. Oh, me too, my dear. I've experienced when I was in high school.
mm,
The
yes.
teacher in front of me is discussing something, and I was pretending to read the book when in fact I was sleeping.
Yes.
Because it's boring, right?
So,
Okay, next, my dear.
uh, uh, when do you often the oops? I have to answer it.
No, my dear, because you don't like reading books. Okay, let's skip this one.
Yes, yes.
Next.
Are you
Okay.
in traveling? Yes. I so I really like. I am. I am. I really like. Interested in traveling.
Yes, I really like traveling, or I am interested in traveling. I see. So, how often do you travel, Miss dear?
Oh, I think in the holiday. Holiday. I travel like on.
Oh, so you will travel with your friends after the holiday?
Yes.
Oh, when do you want to travel, my dear?
Mm, Actually, I also summer. In summer, uh, I will go to the beach.
Oh, so you know how to swim?
No, I
Oh.
don't.
Oh, so what will you do on the beach, my dear, with your friends?
I just watch the beach because it's
Ah,
so beautiful.
like the scenery, like a scenery, right? Do you know breathtaking view?
You do?
Mm,
I know.
breathtaking view,
I know.
breathtaking view, right? Breathtaking view.
Yes. I,
Okay. So next, my dear.
Finally, what are your hobbies? My hobby is playing badminton or um, drawing picture.
I see. That's a good hobby, my dear. Okay, so for example, my dear, when you want to go to the beach with your friends, you can play volleyball. Do you know how to play volleyball? It will be
Ah,
beach
I
volley.
I like I like seafood. Seafood.
Seafoods?
I like seafood. It's but like I don't
Beach. Okay, let's beach volley. Ah, yes, beach volley or
I don't
beach volleyball.
volleyball. I don't know. Wow. Or
I see. So you can just take a picture of yourself, or you can take photos with your friends, right?
right.
or you can take the photo of the watcher.
Hmm. I like take on it.
Oh, I see. And after taking the picture, you can draw it, my dear.
Mm,
You
yes.
can draw it after that. Okay, so thank you so much, my dear me. Yes, so you need to enjoy your Tet holiday. Yes, I'll see you again. Oh, you can just message me the schedule. When are you free, my dear?
I think I
You can just message me. It's okay. You need to enjoy your life. You need to enjoy your holiday.
yes.
But don't forget to sleep on time. You need to eat your breakfast and you need to be happy. Don't forget to smile.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much, my dear, and I hope to see you again in my class. Goodbye and enjoy.
Bye.
Yay!